Hey guys, good morning to my channel. This is Ritvik, and if you are new here, consider subscribing. So today you and me are going to go out on some grocery shopping in Munich on one of the most famous supermarkets here, or one of the many supermarkets here, which is called Lidl. See you outside. So since Lidl is a little far from my house, I generally cycle around, and let's show you the street as well. Just enjoy. So one thing about Munich is that Munich is really green in the summers. It's always filled with parks, lush green trees on either side. It's actually a joy to ride in this city. Also, the roads are super good, by the way, and cycle friendly. People on car do respect the cyclists, which is good. Anyways, take a look at it. So as you enter Lidl, you will find your breakfast munchies like chocos, Kellogg products, granolas, mueslis, etc. Also some jellies and breads. And if you look to the right, you have different vegetables and fruit options. Just before that, you have carrots, tomatoes, cauliflowers, different kinds of leafy vegetables and whatnot. You have lemons here, grapes, apricots, different kinds of German local fresh fruits like melons, watermelons, apples, mangoes. Here you have mangoes as well. Here you have the different bread options, and they are all freshly made today. And the vegetable and fruit sections still continue. Note that they are all fresh and they're all local produce, and they are absolutely delicious to the tongue as well. And they're pretty affordable. So if you pause the video and read, we have the prices on top on those white stickers. If you're a sweet lover, this section is for you. You have all kinds of European chocolates, delicious cakes, sweet biscuits, etc. etc. So stores like Lidl not only has food items but also hardware items. Take a look towards the right. You will have cleaners, like buckets, paints and whatnot. And guess what? You also even have smart TVs. This is the section for sausages, breads, butters, and all kinds of milk products and whatnot. Okay, now back to the time lapse. Alright, so now for all you alcohol lovers, German supermarkets are filled with nice wines, collections of whiskies, beers, etc. If you are into alcohol, these supermarkets can literally spoil you. And what's best is, they have the munchies just opposite to the wine section. How cool is that? Fantastic business model, isn't it? You drink and you eat. And if you're not into alcohol, do not just worry yet. These supermarkets also have varieties of sodas and juices and of famous German sprinkling waters as well. So you have them all here, you've got them covered. Do not worry about anything. And as any other standard supermarkets, this is your refrigerated section for your pizzas and your snacks like fish fingers or salmon steaks, etc. This is the section for your milk products like be it bottled milks or curd, yogurt, etc. And also the ice creams are all here. And I luckily just saw a munchie that I wanted to eat, and it's just picked up from here. It's just chicken spring rolls, pretty affordable. We'll discuss the price later on the video. Lidl also has a wide variety of your daily hygiene products like washing machine powders, be it of Ariel, Formal, whatever, the liquid products, the liquid powders, you have dishwasher liquids, sanitary products. The range of toilet products is also impressive. Over here you have children napkins, adult napkins, you literally got everything. So after that it was time for me to build my products, so I had to put them up on the conveyor belt one at a time and then wait for my turn. And also note that these guys are pretty fast, so you need to hurry up while they scan your products and get them in. For payments you can use credit card, debit cards, cash, coupons, or even your Apple Pay. Pretty much everything is accepted in these stores. Okay, so then, done with shopping. Let's head home and see what we've bought. And how much did it really cost me? Was it expensive? Was it not? We'll find out. Alright, so we are back home and let's take a look at what we've bought and the cost of them. So first up, I've got 500 grams tomatoes. These ones costed me 1.15 euros, not bad. A packet of spring rolls, which are chicken spring rolls, and these has 4 in them. And these ones were 1.83 a packet. So I got 2 of them and costed me 3.66 euros. Not that bad for a snack, honestly. Cheese that goes well with sandwich, and this is one of my favorites. It's called the Sandwich Scheiben mit Gouda, and you'll have tons and tons of varieties of cheese in Germany, honestly, but this is the best one that I like. That costed me 1.73 euros. A pack of salmon, which has 3 steaks in them, roughly around 375 grams, and this one costed me 6.78 euros. These are cherry tomatoes. In Germany they're called as cherry tomaten, and this one costed me 1.93 euros. This must be around 500 grams of onions, and they costed me 0.96 euros or 96 cents. This is champignons or mushrooms, brown in color, and they costed me 1.15 euros. A pack of bacon, 100 grams, and this costed me 1.15 euros again. Honestly, not bad. Pack of yogurt, it has 4 of them, 4 into 150 grams, so that's around 600 grams. This is not that expensive. This costed me 0.66 euros. Well, 0.66 euros for 600 grams of yogurt, it's a steal. A cauliflower, it's also called as the Blumenkohl. This is 96 cents again. And then we've got Unterkeulen, or the leg pieces of a chicken, and this is roughly around 600 grams, and this is 2 euros 21 cents. And Hanchen mini steaks, again 400 grams, and this one I think was around 2 euros and 89 cents. So all in all the total was 26 euros and 67 cents for all of these, and I think honestly it's pretty cheap and it's okay. I mean, this is affordable. Apart from these, we already showed you the racks where you have the vegetables and the fruits, tomatoes, potatoes, different kinds of capsicums or bell peppers, blah blah blah. You'll find the prices just written on top of them. If you have any questions, you can let me know. I'll answer all of them. So then that was my short trip to Lidl. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any other questions regarding grocery shopping here in Munich, let me know in the comment section below. And if you've liked this video till here, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. See you soon on some other videos. Bye.